What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We gonna get right into this video. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a small business unboxing or unpackaging video. So basically what I mean by that is I went on my Instagram, I will say maybe a month ago. I think it was like a month ago. It was in January. So went on my Instagram. I basically just did a questionnaire of if anyone would want me to support their small business and if it was okay for me to go ahead and unpackage their packages that I order, whatever I did order from them on my YouTube channel. And I did get a lot of responses. I didn't order from everybody who did actually said it was okay. I just ordered from some people. I am gonna do like I won't say like a part 2, but I am gonna do like a series because I love supporting other small businesses. I have had a lot of small businesses support me, not just like regular customers who don't have businesses, actually other small businesses. So I wanted to just kind of give back and do this in my own way. So these are not something that they sent for free. Now I have had someone sent something for me, additional to it. I didn't ask for it, but I love that. And so I'm basically going to just be unpackaging some packages. So basically, just starting off with this, I do want to talk about the necklace that I have. The reason being is because this necklace came with an order that I ordered from Bijou Beauty. I love her business. It's super unique. She is an amazing CEO. She's super friendly. She responds back to you, and she's on top of her game, definitely. So I am going to leave everybody's information in this video. You're going to see their Instagram and website as well in the description below. But I did want to just give a shout out to her first, just for sending me this necklace as well. It is the color gold and it's like a 2-layer necklace. So this is like a star that you're seeing right here, and then this is like almost like it's like a sparkly pearl that's up here. And I love necklaces, especially when I am going out and about, not just like doing a quick errand, but when I'm actually going out, I love necklaces because I don't really like my neck to be bare. Kind of the same thing with earrings. I don't really like to go out without earrings because I just feel naked almost. I don't know if somebody else feel like that, but I just feel naked for some reason. So yeah, that's just me. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and open these packages. There are 2. I do want to say kind of like a I guess FYI or PSA. USPS, I know they've definitely been delaying, or orders have been taking forever to get here. So there are other businesses that I did order from, but their packages are still in the way. The reason why I'm doing this video now is because I have already waited a while. It's been a while. I won't say like over a month, but it's been like a week or 2 since I still have been waiting for other packages to come. So I wanted to go ahead and just still support these other small businesses while I have the packaging, and then I will put the other ones when I do receive them in the next video. So let's get into it. So the first packaging, I'm not gonna show my address, of course, but where are my scissors? Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, I do want to say also, because I know who this is from. I really love her business. She has also supported me, and she is another dope CEO as well. So this is how it looks. Or what let me say this. It came in the yellow bubble mailer, and that's how it looks inside. It has confetti, so I am loving that. I haven't gotten a packaging when I see purple. I haven't gotten a purple confetti packaging, so I love that. So yeah, it has the confetti in here. I'm gonna try to get some things. Okay, I think that's it. All right. So she gave. Oh, this is a lot of business cards. Okay, you see, this is a lot of business cards. I like that though because you can give it to literally anybody. But I love her business cards. So this is what it looks like. You can see that. So it just says her business name. It does have her Facebook and Instagram. It does have a telephone number, her email, and her website. There's nothing on the back. It's just the front though. So that is what her business cards look like. Like I said, I got a lot. So I would definitely be going ahead and giving this out because I'm going to support other people. Now these are lashes. So I end up getting lashes, okay? Oh, this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back of this. The back is really, really cute. So these are the lashes first. I do want to say this is my first time ever ordering from her. Like I said, I do order from small businesses. I just never put it in a video. So this is my very first time ever ordering from her though in general. So these are her lashes, but this is the case though. Let me show y'all the case. The case is really, really nice. It actually has, I'm gonna show y'all the case without the lashes inside. Her case actually has her name on it. That is dope. I love that actually. I love custom cases, I swear I do. So these, I don't know what style lashes I got these in. If I remember, I'm going to put this in the video too. I don't remember what style lashes I ordered, because I don't see, yeah, I was looking for like the slip. I don't see the slip that lets me know exactly what I ordered, but that's okay though, because I still have like the confirmation and everything. So I'm going to put probably in a video of what exactly, if I do remember. But these are the lashes. These are cute. These are super, super cute. It has a spoolie. I love spoolies. It has a spoolie in there. These are cute. And then that's what I wanted to tell you. I want to show you the back. I love the back. So the back is like a text message. It's like a, do y'all see that? I know it's like holographic, so hopefully you can see it, but that's something I've never seen. I don't know if someone else has ever seen that before, but that is very creative. I love that. Instead of just being like a plain black or the back just being like her, you know, a logo or her business name, she put like a customized text message on there. That's really, really cute. I like that. I love that a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here because I know me. I know if I sit it down somewhere, I'm gonna lose it. So I wanted to put that up. So the next packaging is from Gleam Dream Collections. I know her too. I adore her business as well. Both of these business owners actually have ordered from me before. So like, I already know their packaging is the bomb. I already know their customer service is the bomb. They do it. They're about their business, definitely. So this is what the packaging looks like inside. Okay. So I'm going to pull everything out. Like I said, I don't remember exactly what I bought. Because like I said, I've been waiting for the other packaging. So it's going to be a good, like, memory of, like, what I bought. Okay. So it says, thank you. Okay, so I guess this is her thank you card. This is her thank you card. And then on the back, it's gonna be on the back. So it says, thank you, babe. Scratch to reveal your code below. Gleam Dream Collections, and then or her Instagram and her website. So I like the scratch to reveal your code below. I could do that off camera, but that's a really cute aspect to her business. I love that. That is creative as well. So I love these two businesses because they're already creative. I love that so much. Like I said, I'm gonna leave her Instagram and website in the description down below. But that's really, really cute. It came in an organza bag. So I think I remember that. I think I ordered a necklace in a headband. I think I ordered a necklace and a headband. I don't know why I paused because it's right in my hand. Don't mind me. I'm sorry. I don't even know why I paused because it's literally right in my face. Okay. So, yeah, this is a necklace. Like I told y'all, I like necklaces. So it's a necklace. It's a necklace. I said necklaces. Oh my gosh. Necklace. It's just one. And it says, trust no man. I'm going to show y'all that. Hold on. Okay. Hope y'all can see that. It says, trust no man. So I love that. I love that. Okay, and then it is a headband. So it is a champion headband. As y'all see, I wear headbands, so it came in this. I love this. Oh, I like that. Actually, before I open it, so it came in this custom. But not really custom, but it came in a clear plastic, so I like that because you can see what you get. Also, she personalized it with her sticker on there, so that's like an extra bonus right there. You definitely want to put your sticker, your I don't know, your name on every single thing, literally. So just in case they throw something out and they kept something else, your name is still on there. But yes, I love this headband. It is a champion headband. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. But I love that. It's a champion headband. It's really, really cute. Oh, it says, oh, it's a champion and a supreme. Let me correct myself. It's a champion and a supreme. So you see how, okay, I'm gonna show you this way. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so it says, oh, that's upside down. So it says champion, but then when you turn it this way, it has a supreme on here. But I think it goes this way though, because yeah, this way is just champion though. But I mean, this is the way you wear it, so, I mean, duh. But yeah, I like it. It's really nice. It's good quality. So, like I said, those are the only 2 packages I received. I am going to go ahead and do a series, so stay tuned for that, for more other small businesses, more other she queens, more other CEOs. Okay, you guys? That's it for this video. Definitely want to give a shout out for these 2 businesses for allowing me to go ahead and support you guys as well. Mention you guys in this video. So I'll see y'all soon.